All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol AAPL, Apple Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts, as well as your feedback. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information and nothing less from my end to you guys. Let's jump into this chart. So obviously the Bears gained control yesterday, and this leveled off below the 50-day moving average. And today, quickly, the Bulls actually went ahead, brought this one up, broke through resistance, and leveled this off slightly above it, hitting a high of 115.51. And quickly after that, the Bears tore this one down to the point that they broke through the resistance, they broke through the support and hit newer lows. And this reached a low here of about 110 and some change. So very important here how it reached 110. Why? Because I mentioned earlier, if it broke through this resistance, this support, the next support was around 110, and 110 is the lowest point that this stock has reached throughout this whole entire bearish run. It's reached it almost two times. It reached it here, and then it reached it one more time here. And this is the third time that it shows support there at the 110 mark, and the bears aren't able to tear through it. The bulls always reappear and recover. Now, even though the bulls were able to do that, the Bulls right now don't have any control. They're below the 50-day moving average. Our 50-day moving average is 115, 114-ish. Let's see, right around here, 114.86. So it's off from 115 by a couple of cents. We're talking about 14 cents in difference. But to be exact, 114.86 is our 50-day moving average. And the Bulls need to break through that to get back into bullish territory and start to hit newer highs. But as of right now, the Bears are in full control. And let's move this down to their new location. So here is our support, our new support based off the charts, and our new resistance. It's right here. And let's go ahead and see what is important for us to see for tomorrow. So obviously, the bulls recovered here from hitting this low and leveled this off at 111.97. Once again, 114.86. Very important to keep in mind. That is the 50-day moving average, and we're currently below it. So the bears are dominating this one, even though the bulls have recovered. For the bulls to continue this recovery and reach the 50-day moving average and be able to break through it and hit bullish territory, they're gonna have to break through the resistance of 112.55. By breaking through 112.55, they can go ahead and turn this into a support and start to work their way up to newer highs. But until then, the bulls don't have any sense of direction of control and of a rally. They've built some momentum here. Their true goal is to go ahead and take advantage of this momentum that they have right now and go ahead and turn this into a support. They need to break through that resistance, turn it into support, and then they can start to reach newer highs. But even if they break through that and they're starting to work their way up, the bears can reappear and level them off or even tear them back down. So the bulls don't have control until they break through 114.86. I want to emphasize that because that's very important. Now, on the other hand, we have our support. And this support has been tested and used by the bulls several times. And the moment that the bears are able to break through this will see new lows and newer support levels. So our support level right now is 110.05. If the bears are able to break through that, they will pull this further away from the 50-day moving average, which they've done throughout the day, all day today, to where they tore it down to the low of 110, and then the bulls reappeared. So if this support gets broken through, this will see newer lows and start to see new support levels. And the bears are going to want to continue to pull this away from the 50-day moving average and not allow the bulls to have this recovery and use this momentum to continue. So we're going to have to see how this plays out. And I said tomorrow, I mean Monday. It's Friday today, excuse me. Lost track of the days. But You guys know exactly what I mean by tomorrow. Monday, we'll have to see how this plays out. Hope that with these cues, you guys are going to be well equipped and ready to go ahead and be prepared for the next trading day next week. And as always, if you guys learn something new, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Double check if you click on the bell to turn on all notifications so you guys don't miss a single video that I post. That way you guys can be up to date on every chart analysis. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.